Hi everybody, this is Rita again, and I just wanted to show a really quick little project that I've been working on. And this is great for journals, for tuck spots. All I did is create little clusters on some vintage playing cards. So there's a little bit of lace, little fabric, and just some little pieces of scrap paper, and I just zip through it with the sewing machine, zip it straight down, and it's really good for tuck spots. And this is a different kind, a little bit of different material. Here's another one with some cheesecloth, paper and fabric, cheesecloth, and there's one you can put some words on there too. So these are just some really easy, just whatever leftover little pieces of fabric or paper you have, teeny tiny pieces of paper, and just some old vintage cards and teeny tiny pieces of fabric. So there's all there is to it. You can also glue it if you don't want to sew it, just glue them on cardstock or playing cards. So this is it. Thank you so much, and peace out.